Hello guys, welcome back to Articulate. Today I will be looking at my 3D printed and painted Boba Fett. This is the repainted armor from the Boba Fett Book of Boba Fett series, which is a very nice suit compared to the original one. This one is actually does have inner suit that is black, and of course it does retain the Beskar armor in green, and on the right and left hand side of the gauntlet it is actually in this muted brownish red with the shoulder armor in this orange color, similarly with the leg guards also in this orange color. The base is 3D printed in this original sandstone brown color. Of course, the head sculpt is actually hand painted, as you can see here. This is very long duration which I actually took in order to get the this look, which is looking pretty nice, as you can see here. Very nice. The helmet actually is swappable, as you can see here. I can actually take it out and swap it with the Timora Morrison head sculpt. Looking very nice. This is how he looks. Boba Fett. The head sculpt actually took about probably more than 10 layers of paint. I do use the Vallejo paint. I mix it a lot with the flesh tones and try to achieve the most realistic that I can achieve with this figure. I'm not so satisfied with the eyes at the moment, but overall it does look very impressive. Look at that. As you can see on the right hand side, it does have this blaster, and the left hand side with this massive rifle. I do use some of those Gundam marker to do some dry brushing. So overall it does look pretty nice. I did a very minor dry brushing on the black suit so that it can accentuate some of the lines on the figure. If not, it will be too flat. So the end result does look very nice. Absolutely stunning. It is the look at the side. Of course, it does have this famous Mandalorian insignia on the shoulder pad. But most of the time it does have this white patch at the base. But for this time I thought white patch is a little bit outdated, so I just leave it out. So what I have here is just the Mandalorian emblem on the orange shoulder pad. Look at that. Very nice. from the back, this is how it looks. The jetpack, very nicely done. And the lower cape at the bottom of the figure, it does have some of these rounds on the belt. Very nice. Look at that. This is the thigh area and the scarf, also the head sculpt. The cape here seems a bit of a challenge because I do need to punch holes for the curing of the resin. Over here is the legs and the torso glued together overnight, and it does seems to fit very well. There's no foreseeable seam. Of course, at the back there's a back hole for the bottom cape and also the jetpack. So I may need to do some painting. As you can see here, this is the base coat which I have done, all in black. Of course, I do mask off the shoulder pad because the shoulder pad is in this orange color. So if I use the base coat black, it may take a little while in order to get the orange color spray painted. And next is the green Beskar armor, and the only green color actually is the chest and also the helmet. Similarly with the jetpack. Over here, this is the head sculpt, which is very detailed. What I did is use a white base coat for the head sculpt. Overall, I did took a couple of weeks to print the figure, and this figure is actually in 1/6 scale. It does look very nice with some of my other 1/6 scale figure. So that is why I just try to maintain in 1/6 scale instead of getting any bigger than that. That will even take much more longer. Generally, I will be matching him with IG-11 and also Din Djarin, the Mandalorian, and Fennec, also with Bo-Katan. With all the Mandalorians standing side by side, it will be a very impressive looking team. Look at that. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread the love. See you guys next time. Cheers.